Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another topic in TestNG, that is priority in TestNG. So we will be covering what is priority in TestNG, how to set priority, and can we set 0 or -1 in priority value. So let's get started and switch back to our Eclipse editor. So last time in our Eclipse editor, we have created a new project, that is TestNG test, and inside that we have added a package and we have added 3 classes. These are TestNG classes, and in accounts I have 4 test cases: test case 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have a dummy method in which we just have a print statement. So we have different print statement here and with the same method name. Like for example, this is account class and we are printing the print statements, the values inside print statement in our output, and we are trying to check if our test cases are passing. So first let us try to execute this, then we can see the priority topic. So I have executed it as a TestNG test, and you can see that our 4 methods have got executed, or 4 test cases have got executed. Now if you see the order, first access account method has got executed. Here you can see this method I have written last, but it has got executed first, then city, then SBI and then HDFC. So these methods are executing on the basis of ASCII values of method name. So the way we have written the methods, it's not executing in the same order, and we have not even set the priority also in these methods, but the execution output you can see as a different sequence. Now what if I want to have this HDFC account output or print statement as a first output in my console screen? So in that case we can have a priority attribute attached to our @test annotation. What it will do is we can decide the priority of execution of our test. So let's see the syntax of priority. So this is the syntax: priority equal to 1. Let's copy paste it for every test case and set different priority values. I'll just give it 2, 3 and then 4. So basically what I am trying to tell here is that after execution, whatever priority we have set, it will execute and print in the same priority order. So when I say priority 1, the statement inside HDFC account will get executed. When I say priority 2, next will get executed, and when I say priority 4, this will get executed as a last test case. So let's execute it and see the output. Okay, let's go to our console screen. Our 4 test cases have passed, and now you can see the output is different from the previous one. So here this is HDFC account. This has printed first because we have set the priority as 1 for HDFC account method. Then SBI account method has printed next, city has printed next, and then we have printed access as 4. So it is behaving as per our priority order. Now what if I am giving priority 0 to any one of the method? For example, if I erase 3 and give it as 0. So ideal scenario or expected scenario is that because 0 comes before 1, so this city should get executed first. Now let me run this and check the output. Let's see, our test cases have passed. Now because we have set the priority 0, the city method has executed first, then the method with priority 1 has executed, method 2 has executed, which has second priority, that is SBI, and then access account method has executed, which has the last priority. So in this way we can set the priority of our test cases inside a TestNG class file. or inside our class file where all our test cases are kept. Now let's do one thing. Let's try to check what if we give negative values. So here I have given negative value to access account. In this output, access was printing last because the priority was 4. Now we have only -1, 0, 1 and 2, 4 test cases, and you can see the priority set. So let's check how it will behave. Again, the execution is successful, and now because -1 comes before 0, so access account method has executed first. Then the priority 0 method is going to execute, which is executed. Then HDFC account is executed, and then last SBI account is executed. So we have seen here that what priority plays role here in TestNG. It is used to set the priority of execution of our test cases. If we have more than 10, 20 or whatever the count may be, we have lots of test cases, we can set the priority as per our execution order, so that the test cases or the Selenium code written inside those test cases will execute as per our order set with the priority. So that's it guys. Thanks all.